Hi guys, this is Bhavan Sharathi, Digital Marketing Executive from IPCS Global Solutions, Coimbatore. So today in this video, we are just going to learn how to customize or edit the header section of our website. Okay, with the help of a plugin called Ultimate Add-ons Elementor. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we just log into the WordPress dashboard. So this is a freely hosted site like Infinity Free Platform and the Pantheon site platform, like all this. So what we are going to do is after we reach the dashboard, we are just over to the plugin section and add plugin. Okay, the first step what we're going to do is we're going to add a plugin named UAE. Just type UAE. Okay, so you will see this plugin here, Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. You will install it and activate, and after you activate this plugin you will just see the UAE plugin here in the sidebar. So you will just hover to it and click the header and footer section. Okay, before we go get into the editing part, okay, we'll just see how the website looks before that. So this is how it looks before that. This is just a template. Okay, this is nothing so important. So just a template, I've installed a template through starter templates, and if you're just interested in this video, we'll always see the other parts of the lessons. Okay, so we'll just hover into this. So this is the header section now. So we'll just go to Elementor, and that is dashboard and United Add-ons Elementor, and we'll just click these add new button here. Okay, so after we click it, we are just naming that header as header primary header. Okay, it's HADER. Okay, so we'll just name it as primary header, and type of the template it's like header here, and display on entire website. Okay, entire website means the header is going to display it on entire website throughout all the pages. So user role, we'll just click it all. Okay, enable layer for canvas, Elementor canvas template, we'll just click this, mark this button, and what we'll be doing is we'll just publish it. Don't forget to click the publish button. Okay, so after you publish it, we we'll just click this. You have to just click this edit with Elementor button. Okay, so after we clicking it, the page directly goes into the Elementor editing part. So always the navigation part is always the biggest ranking factor in SEO. Not the ranking factor, but it's also a ranking factor, but also the user experiences are also included in this. Okay, if the header section is clear, if the navigation part is clear, if we can just view every section or every products or every pages in our website through the header, it would be a very good, visually good website. Okay, so user experience would increase and the ranking factors also increases. So that's how we get the engagements from these customers. Okay, so before that, so we'll just click here, and now we have come to the Elementor section here. Okay, so we are just clicking the plus button here and the flex box here. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide the header into the three sections. So I'm just going to select this last flex box. So after we click it, we'll just come here and add element. Click this button and search for logo. If you just search for logo, you will just see the retina logo, and drag the retina logo here and you place it. Okay. Next one, add element, you click it and you'll just click menu. You just search for menu and you will see the navigation menu. Okay. And you'll place it there. And finally, what we're going to do is like we'll search for search button. So after we get the search button, we're just going to place the search button here. So you click the header section and we are just going to make it aligned well. So the main menu, that's okay. Last menu item, you can add it as a button. The contact button will be added as a button. For example, if you just have any kind of service, important pages, right? So every website has that service pages. So if you just hover to the service pages, for the service pages alone, there should be a button. You can just implement it. So after doing that, you come to style, and what you're going to do it is like text color. So you'll just change the text color to black. Okay, so it's based on your preferences. Okay, next one you will click the advanced section and you will just align it. Next, what we're going to do is we'll edit it. We'll click the logo. Just for now, I'm just placing an example image. So a logo part should be 350, 300 into 300 pixels. Okay, 300 odd pixels, the width and height part. Okay, so for example, here I'm just going to place this as my logo. So I'm just clicking it, and I'm just selecting the image. So after just I select the image of the logos, and what we're going to do, we'll just edit this search button. Okay, so input box, you can place it as an icon or icon input box with a button. Okay, so look neat and clean. So icon, it's just enough. Okay, so it's based on your preferences. We'll do that and we'll publish. We'll click here and the header is published now. What we're going to do next is we're just going to the website and we'll start refreshing the site, and we can see the changes here. Okay, right? So now we have just added the header, the logo, the sections of the other pages, and the search button. So what we're going to do now, we're just moving into this customize button. You just have to click the customize button because you just have to edit the pages section, right? So to edit the pages section, just click the customize button and you will just move to the customizing part. Okay, so here it is. So now what we are going to do, we'll just hover to menu part. We'll click the menu and we'll just click the already available menu and we are going to delete the menu forever. Okay, we are going to delete it and we are going to create a new menu now. So the menu name will be primary header again. Okay, we are going to click menu locations, primary menu, and we'll just click the next button, and here it is. So in this section we will add the items, that is the pages. Okay, pages that we need in our website. So what we are going to do is like we click the add button, and first one, home page, is somehow you're going to rank. So we'll just click the home page, and the next one is about page, and the third one is services page. Sorry, wait, we'll just delete it. We'll just add the services page, and we'll just add the contact page, and okay, and okay. So this is how it is. And the next one, what we are going to do, we have a hello world post here and page section. Now what we are going to do is, in some websites you will just see a section, services page or products page or whatever it is. You just hope, you cannot click the menu button. Okay, you cannot click the menu button, but you can just hover. If you just go and place your mouse there, you will receive a lot of section under it, the subsection. Okay, we are just going to see how to do that now. So before that, we are going to click custom links here, and in the URL section we are just going to place a star button here. Okay, start button here, and the link text will be like blogs. I'm just placing it as an example. Okay, now you just add it to the menu, not the start button, sorry. We'll just add the hashtag button and we'll just add it to the menu. Okay, now what we're going to do is we'll just click this post button and we'll click the hello world and tags, not formats. No, built in the pages, we'll just click the sample page and everything. So what we're going to do is hello world, we are just going to drag it and we're going to paste it, so it becomes a sub item. So it's the same as the hello world, we are going to drag the sample page here and place it here. So that's how the sections comes under. So I'll show you why we just added the start button. Okay, so we are just going to be done this editing part, we are going to publish it and let's watch for the results. Okay, so just copy your site now and just place it in the new tab and we just move it. This is how our website looks. You can even add the image here, background image. So a black image or white image in the background of the header. Like you can just click this 6 buttons and click the style and click the background overlay. Okay, and you can just add the color or yeah, or the any kind of any image you want and everything. Okay, now we just got this header part. So in this header part, the reason why I added the start button, it's like if I just click this any section, if I just click the services section, the page would go to the services page will open obviously, and the contact page, if you just click it, you give the page will move to contact. So the blogs part, if you just click it, okay, nothing happens. So that's why we are not pasting the URL anywhere, just we are just adding the hashtag. So after we add the hashtag, we have other pages here. This is just an example. Okay, so you can add a lot of product pages or a lot of service pages. So however you can want, you can customize, okay, based on your business. So that's it, guys. That's all about this video. If you if this video is very interesting, or just comment, share, like and subscribe. And in the further series I'll be adding the footer video and also the on page part, off page, and also the technical. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much, thank you for your patience. Okay, yeah, thank you.